Bafethu legendary bese Johannesburg Stadium ngiyobona i-training session yama Lions as they come up against ama Blue Bulls this coming Saturday. Hey, yangisokolisa entrance yala bafethu. Ngizengaxabana no driver ngathi akangibeke la athanda khona. Hayi, ngisho ngibe ngiyingenela ke mina ngiqonde phakathi lapha ne reception ngiyobuza ukuthi ukuze ngiqhamukele kwi pitch ngizongena phi. That's where I go, but I know ngena kwi lift ushaw -3 bese ke ushona phansi uzokukhiphela lapha na ke ngaphansi bese uqonda ngqo kwi pitch yoshama interviews with high profile players and the coach as well. Ngiqhamukele amajita aqeda ukujima vele, that's what I'm here for. Ngifuna ufika sebeqedile ukutraina khona ngizoba interview. Azivumelananga ngenabo lapho bashuthe nje babe kanje. Babuye ukuyojima bazogqoka. Libo mfana lo mlungu ningayiculi leyo ngoma eyiculwe mina kuphela. Ha bazoxabana nani and azivumelananga nabazobona seyila kwi vlog nje. Hayi miliyana ke ngibheke kwi pitch ke manje bafethu sayokleklebula isingisi sami esinenkosi phakathi ngendlela eseqophelene eliphezulu noma kanjani ngaphandle kongabasa ucoach ke lona bafethu ke uIvan van Rooyen simbuza ke ngimgrilla ngembuzo la ngikleklebula isingisi kuphela bafana kleklebula isingisi la kuse rugby nangu Asenathi Inhlaba kanye beno Chris Smith nabo futhi ngibakleklebule bafana ngesingisi Chris Smith ke na ke is a former player ama Bulls, so he's coming up against his former team nje this Saturday. Awuthi ngithule ngizuse bafana nkleklebule. Now the fact that you're playing against your former team, does it give you guys a bit of an advantage in terms of knowing their playing patterns and individual characteristics as well?
Yeah, I mean obviously the coaching staff has probably changed a little bit. I mean I know a lot of those guys personally, so for me it's I'm not really I'm just focused on our plan and how best we can execute it. But yeah, for me it's always special and I really enjoy going up against them.
Ngathi I can't live without interviewing uTLB we rugby uBathu Hlekani. Lo mfana lona wenze idebut yakhe this month. What a humble down to earth guy. Wabe man of the match. Cabanga mfethu. Phephe mfana kodilila. I-training session ngalana ke eJohannesburg Stadium ngapha eJohannesburg Stadium, but the game, the Yakskay Derby on Saturday will be at Ellis Park Stadium. Ngala ningadukukeni ngihlaza. Bye, see you on Saturday.